Hi, my name is Greg Scott, founder and CEO of Service Robotics and Technologies. I got my dream job out of college, working at the Mission Control Center at NASA, and then moved overseas to get my PhD in robotics before managing tech development teams for the US Navy. It was then that I found a massive opportunity in the custodial services and facility management space. And that opportunity is based on the pressure they face to reduce cost, improve quality, and implement technology. And with over 300% annual staff turnover and pressure from above to improve on ever shrinking budgets, that was before COVID. And today there are even more challenges, not just in cleaning, but disinfecting and sanitizing and remotely managing buildings, all to ensure that staff are safe. And we have built the first and only map-based facility management system that incorporates mobile robotic systems, IoT devices, and building automation platforms. Our cross-platform building intelligence pulls from these otherwise disparate sources, providing a true sense of what's actually happening across the building. Our product is built to scale both up and down, and we support deployments across campuses, individual buildings, and single tenancy units. Now, customers are trying to rip this out of our hands today. We're focusing first on the urgent and important needs, and since our system is flexible and modular, we can address their secondary needs in the future. So for example, knowing the occupancy and hotspots across a building allows focused cleaning to the now overwhelmed custodial staff. Then adding the ability to monitor freezer temperatures or air quality or utilities or service robots allows future capabilities to our deployments. And by using our software, we're reducing their frustration from monitoring 10 of these different platforms through 10 different apps. Now, the market opportunity for this product is huge, and our competition only fulfills certain aspects of this market. Our near-term strategic focus is hospital deployments to monitor occupancy and reduce the risk of COVID transmission. And we already have deployments into commercial buildings and government facilities, and we'll be expanding into warehouses in 2020. And to achieve this, we're applying the proven industrial robotics integration model to the building management space. And much like this model, our sustainability is through the long-term management of their facilities. Our sales approach focuses on enterprise SaaS to commercial clients with opportunities for fully integrated deployments into government facilities and warehouses. And through white labeling our software, we provide a niche opportunity for hardware companies to make their products smart without building a software infrastructure from scratch. Now, we're proud of being a diverse team, and our team of experts in their respective fields, many of which have startup experience. But to make us more robust, we've recently joined with RevRoad, a startup services company with a 2-year contract to support strategic planning and business development. And our other advisors are world leaders in their respective fields and provide insights to ensure that we can meet the needs of our industry. Here at SRT, we're turning commercial facilities into truly smart buildings.